Most people think that injectable treatments are about which filler to use or how many syringes it'll take to inject. But the most important part of a successful result actually happens before the injection ever begins. It's the facial analysis. At Mabrie Facial Institute, we call this process Illumination 360. It's how we step back and see your entire face completely. First, we start with you. What brought you in, what you're noticing when you look in the mirror, and what you would like to improve. Next, we study the structure of your face. Using medical photography and a detailed facial exam, we look at the face from multiple angles to understand its three-dimensional architecture and the way light and shadow shape how it appears. Through this process, we begin to recognize patterns in facial structure that influence the message your face may be sending. Then, by combining your goals with our understanding of your facial anatomy, we begin to reveal the full potential of your face. Smooth lines, balanced contours, fewer shadows, and improved proportions. Only after that analysis do we design your treatment plan together. Because the goal isn't simply to add filler, it's to understand the architecture of your face and shape it in a way that looks natural, balanced, and reflects the confidence you feel inside. We don't fill faces, we shape them.